Hey guys, how you doing? I didn't want to post this video, but it looks like the next play for tomorrow is going to be a PLTR puts. I think tomorrow I am going to be shorting PLTR. It does look like we're going to be headed down on the bearish side. I think we are creating a top right here. We just created a new lower low. Let me see if I can find, like, I can get you guys this fucking... Oh, by the way, also, I know I haven't been posting videos a while. I've been super busy at work, guys. Like, there's so much fucking work. I gotta focus on that for right now, right? But right now, you guys can see this right here. It is creating lower low. So, this is the high right here, higher low, higher low. We actually did close on the 4 hour right here. So I do think that, unfortunately, I do think we're going back to 25 bucks. I mean, I don't know how else to say it, but I do think this is gonna be the top. This is gonna be the top right here. Let me delete this thing. I don't need this line anymore. I just want to show you guys. But on the 4 hour, it is looking like we're creating a top. On the MACD, you guys can see that we try to break the 4 hour bearish MACD before. We try to break it right. You see it? We try to break it right here back on December, like, I don't know, like 12 or 13. We try to break that on the bullish side, and we didn't, and I do think it's going to happen again. I do think we're not going to be able to break it again. And on the stochastic, it does look like we're going to be creating a top right here. So I think tomorrow, I think my play is actually going to be probably 2 week out PLTR puts. As soon as it retouches probably like the $25 level, any instance of it hitting $25, I'm going to be selling that put. So if it hits $25.99, I'm going to be out of that play. But as of right now, it does look like PLTR is going to be going down and retesting the $25 mark. I think it's going to happen tomorrow. I think it's, well, not tomorrow, but this week for sure. Right, tomorrow we're actually, we actually just created like another top on the stochastic, and I think that once we make this cross on the bear side for PLTR, I do think we're gonna start falling down. The last time that this happened, where we were like this high on the MACD, we dropped about we dropped about $2-3. So I do think it's definitely possible. And it's basically where we are right now. Price is at $28. If we drop $3, it's gonna go down to 25. I do think that same momentum is gonna hold up. Yeah, I think $25. I'm like 85-95% sure we're gonna hit $25 before we hit $29 again. Unless there's some crazy pop tomorrow. If we pop tomorrow and we're like green for PLTR and we hit like $29-30, then completely forget what I just said, right? But if tomorrow there's no pop to the upside, 100%, I think we're gonna be going down to 25, and I will be buying puts tomorrow and shorting PLTR. As soon as this 1 hour MACD crosses over to the bearish side, I think I'm going to be buying puts, because on the hour it looks like we're going to be bearish. On the 4 hour chart for the MACD, it does look like we are it does look like bullish momentum is dying. Bearish momentum is not as strong, but it does look like we're creating a top and a new lower high. So I think as of right now, I think we are going to be trading maybe sideways a little bit longer, but I'm like 90% sure we're going to go back down to $25 first, and then go back up to maybe $29-30. But as of right now, I think I am bearish on PLTR. And after that 1 hour cross on the MACD to the bearish side, I think that's when I'm probably going to start buying puts for PLTR. I'll see you guys later.